All right, my friend, welcome back to my channel. I'm back for another wellness workout video, and today we're going to switch things up again a little bit more. I am going to offer you a chair practice where we're using weights to strengthen the upper body. So when you're ready, I'm going to meet you back here with grab a chair and a light set of weights. I'm talking between 1 and 5 pounds. If you don't have weights, no worries. You can do this without weights or find a weighted object like a couple soup cans or something like that. Meet you back here. All right, so seated in the chair, really press evenly into the earth. We're just going to take a moment for a couple stretches here. In breath, sweep the arms overhead. Just warm up the lower body or upper body a little bit. Release the hands down, out breath. 2 more times. Inhale, float the arms. Exhale, soften and release, lower down. Last time, float the arms tall to the sky. Exhale, let it go. Take a seated twist. One hand's going to come to the opposite knee. Sweep that hand behind, look over the shoulder. Softly unwind the spine. We'll go to the second side. Opposite hand, opposite knee. Sweep it behind, look over the shoulder. Unwind back through center. Let's take one hand high to the sky. Full breath in. Full breath out. Fold over opposite way. Look up or down. Release that hand down second side. Big full breath. Big stretch out. Release. Look up or down. Nice job. Let it go. Give yourself some circles here. Maybe just circle the arms in one direction. Now, we're not going to be here very long. This is a great workout to tack on before or after any of my walking videos. Here we are. One more big circle this direction. Reverse other way. And if we've not met yet, I just want to welcome you here to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a yoga instructor, a registered nurse, and wellness professional, and I've created this channel to help folks just like you and me feel strong, healthy, and confident in our own skin at any stage of life. So thank you so much for being here. We're going to get right into it. Go ahead and grab your weights. We'll take both weights for starters in the hands. And I want you to bring the weights down by the sides. You can also do almost all of these exercises standing, so if that works better for you, please do. I love the chair because it gives me a little added support. So wrists are pointing towards me, and we're going to take a bicep curl, so we're focusing on this muscle here. So gently, don't let the weights swing. We're gripping the weights strong. Bring the weights up towards the shoulders and slowly lower down. Elbows hug in towards the center line. So I don't want your elbows flaring out. No. We're holding them towards midline. And let's do 8 more. So here we are, 8. Take it slow. Activate more muscle that way. 7. Nice. 6. 5. You got this. You can always back out if you need to. 4. Nice. 3. Charlie's watching. Charlie's my rescue over here. 2. And last one. Up and down. Nice job. Maybe release those weights down for a second. Give it a shake. Maybe stretch one hand. Drop those fingertips down, a little manual stretch again. Shake it out, other side, stretch back, pull those fingers back, and then drop the fingers down as you pull the fingers back that way. So a nice stretch for the fingers and the forearms, all those micro joints in the wrists. Nice, here we go. Next move. So from here, I would love for you to take the weights to shoulder height. We're gonna lift up, lower down, out, and back in. Now, when you come out, have a micro bend in those elbows. So here we are, up, down, out, back. Check in. What do you need to change? Does this feel comfortable for you? Never, ever push through pain. This should not feel painful. And you know that saying, no pain, no game. We throw that out the window. If there is pain, we skip the move, okay? Nice job. We've got it. For 5. Keep it going. 4. Nice and slow. Lots of things are turned on. 3. 2. Last one. Out. Back in. Nice job. Drop those weights safely down by the sides. Give yourself a little shake here. Nice job. Okay. From here, next move, I'm just going to show it to you. You can jump in when you're ready. We're going to take a little bicep curl. Take the feet wide here. And then I'm starting on the right side. So right arm has the weight. I'm going to place my elbow kind of right here on my thigh bone. And then you can use the opposite hand to support yourself and drop the weight down. We're pulling that weight up towards the shoulder. Nice. So just a different kind of bicep curl. Engaging a few different muscles. Keep it going. I'm going to do 8 more on this side and then we'll take it to the other side. And again, no swinging the weights. Nice strong grip here. About 6. We are 5. 4. 3. 2. Last one, and down. Give yourself a little break, little breather, shake on out, and then when you're ready, come in, we'll do it the second side. No swinging the weights, feel strong here. And I love strength training. I think it's so important, of course, at any age to feel strong and healthy, especially as we age. Bone density starts to lower, right? That's when we experience that osteoporosis. So we want to keep our muscles and our bones strong and healthy. Let's go for about 5 more of these. Here we are, 5, 4, 3, nice job, you got it, 2, and 1. So good for you. Drop that weight safely to the side, shake it out. Nice. Next move, I'm going to show you. What we're going to do is take the weights in either hand. We're going to open like a cactus arms, like we do in yoga, and then start to close. Now you don't have to bring the elbows towards or together. In fact, probably safer if you don't. Just feel that activation in these large muscles in the back body. You might feel it up in the shoulders and definitely throughout the entire arm. So stay here or grab your weights safely and we're gonna bring them upright. Just be careful, we're not gonna wanna smack ourselves with these. Nice. Let's do 8 of these. 7, 6, 5, you got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. So good for you. Go ahead and safely lower those weights down, maybe set them to the side. This next move I would like to show you, I'm actually just going to turn to the side and I'm going to start, this is my left arm, it might be your right arm, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you without the weight, hinging forward at the waistline. I'm going to take the weight down and then bring it up towards the shoulder, take a tricep kickback, bring it back in and lower it down. So we're targeting this tricep muscle next. When you're ready, grab your weight or don't use the weight, it's up to you. Sink forward, hinging at the hips. Feel that belly button draw in towards the spine to protect that low back. Bring the weight up, tricep kick back out, back in, lower down. Nice. Keep it going. We got 5 more. Nice. 4, 3, 2, last one, out, back in, don't swing those weights, nice job. Second side, I'm just gonna spin it all around, and here we go. Hinging forward, belly button drawing in, up and back, bring it in and down, for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Nice and easy. Lower that weight down. Come on out of there. So good. Let's just take a couple stretches and then we'll call it a day, okay? Here we go. Inhale, take those arms overhead. You could interlace the fingers at the top. Exhale, push the arms up towards the sky. Fold over to one side, either side. Back through center, second side. Little fold. Nice, come back through center, drop it down. Stretch right arm out, take it across the body. Brace that right elbow with left hand, look over right shoulder. Let it go, take some arm circles here, just with the right arm. Forward and reverse. Good for you. And second side, left arm stretches out, bring it across the body. Keep that elbow, keep that shoulder away from the ear, look over shoulder. Nice. Take some swimmer's arms. Here we go. Big circles with the left arm. Either forward and back, it doesn't matter. We always reverse. And take your time to go the opposite way. So good. Nice. Shake it all out. Give yourself a round of applause. I am so proud of you. Thank you for being here and being here for another one of my videos. And thanks for staying till the end. As always, you can tack this workout on at the beginning or end of class. I do recommend strength training at least 2 days a week to keep those muscles and bones nice and strong and dense, healthy. And then also, if you do want to learn more about the work I do and how to connect, you can head on over to my website. The information is going to be in the links below. Grab your Gentle Stride guide while you're over there. So this is a great resource guide. It helps folks get started with an in-home walking program, tons of resources. I do have a calendar in the back where you can track your progress. So it's great to see, all the work that you've done shown up and, compiled in this beautiful little book. So I wrote it for you. I hope you enjoy. Please grab it. It's totally free. And, check out my other videos, like, subscribe, share with all your buddies. I'd love for more people to come to my channel and let's get the word out. We want to get healthy, strong, and feel better at any age. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.